welcome back to my channel. This is me Shreya Kumari and I hope you all are amazing. If you visit this channel first time, so do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. In today's video, we'll talk about public speaking for beginners. Firstly, we'll discuss what is public speaking, and secondly and lastly, we'll discuss some of the do's and don'ts. Now let's get started. So public speaking is a speaking to a group of people in a mannered or in an organized way where we can share relevant facts and information to the people. Also, by this we can influence people. So this is all about public speaking. Now let's discuss some of the do's and don'ts. So some of the do's are: use concise and relevant fact. Second is that maintain eye contact, gestures and postures. Third is that always proofread before speaking. And lastly, confident and loud. And some of the don'ts are: avoid fillers, avoid acronyms, do not fidget, and rambling. And this is all about today's video. I hope you will learn something from this video. And if you like this video, so give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you.